Hello everyone, this is me Nida Desai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am with another quick and easy recipe for you all. Today we are going to prepare chicken hot dog bun. Let's see the ingredients. Here we have taken 2 capsicum, 2 onion, 1 bell pepper, 300 grams of boiled shredded chicken. If you are a vegetarian, you can take paneer instead of chicken. 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and a half tablespoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, cheese and mayonnaise. Then let us start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Then after the oil is heated, adding 2 finely chopped onions into it. Then let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add capsicum, 2 finely chopped capsicum and 1 finely chopped bell pepper into it. So after our vegetables are sauteed, let's add chili flakes, oregano and black pepper into it and mix it well. Now till our vegetables are being sauteed, let's make the spread that we'll apply on the bun. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon, around 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney into it and around 1 tablespoon of sauce into it. Now let's give it a quick mix. So here our spread is ready. See how bright the color looks. I love the color of this spread. Keep it aside and let's get back to our veggies. Our veggies are being sauteed. So after our veggies are sauteed, adding 300 grams of boiled shredded chicken into the veggies and then mixing it well. Then let us start by adding some flavors into our chicken mixture, adding 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, around 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce into it. And also adding 3 tablespoons of ketchup into our chicken mixture. And then give it a quick mix. Mix the sauces well. You can add sauces as per your choice also. Then cover it up for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Now after 15 to 20 minutes, our chicken mixture is ready. Turn the flame off. See how colorful it looks. It smells really good. Adding some cheese on the top and giving it a quick mix. Then keep it aside to cool down. Now let's assemble our bun. So first I have cut it like this in between the bun. Now adding some spread in between. Then adding chicken mixture in it. And I'm so sorry for the background noise as construction is going on in my area. Now after adding chicken mixture in the bun, let's add some cheese on the top. Then we'll take a pan, heat it, add some butter on it and then put our bun on it. Now cover it up with a lid so that cheese melts properly. So here our bun is ready. The cheese has melted properly. Serve it with some dip, some chutney and sauce. So if you liked our recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.